Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a clickable link to your Canva video. In order to do so, first off, here we are starting at canva.com, and as you can see here in the middle you have several options that you can choose from. What you're looking for is the icon here that says video, and if you click that, then you're going to see that you have a variety of templates here to choose from, and the results are really quite nice. So if you just come to any of these templates, you can click on it, and here you can see what our video looks like. And what you can do is you can hover your mouse over the words and just double click, and you can put whatever it is that you want in here. So you get a nice design that you can modify yourself. So there you go. And then you can take whatever you've done, line it up a little bit better, and there you go. And I've done the same thing over here, so you can get an idea of what the different templates do. And once you've got that set up, then what you want to do is you want to share it, and you want a clickable link that you can send people. So to do that, you go up to the big share button up at the top right hand corner, and from here you could send a collaboration link, or you have a public view link. And the public view link, if you click that, you can create a public view link, and then you can copy the link, and you can post that wherever you want, and people can come and they'll see your video. So that's a really neat feature, and that's how you can do that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.